Hi, this is Ian Skennerton again, an author and filmmaker specialist in firearms for more than 50 years. Following previous clips made with the help from Filmmakers Guild members and the trade, we continue with an analysis of the blasters that have recently become more of a law enforcement issue, even spilling over into the political scene. The operating group in blasters is called a gearbox, a housing that contains a series of cog gears with a reciprocating piston group at the top. Water balls feed in front of a rubber or soft nylon tip, as they can rupture if struck with too much force or with a flat surface. This further discounts any argument of them being air guns, because air does not break up water balls. Since they sometimes break up in the T-piece, this proves that they are struck by the soft piston tip. This is seen when a gel ball strikes a firm object, even a person's skin, it splatters. Can't see any marks. Some kits come with a spare piston tip. It would not need replacement if it didn't contact the gel ball. The piston tip pushes out the water ball after it's fed from the magazine or container, as is seen in this detached gearbox. Piston tip shape is to accommodate the round gel ball fed in front of it. The centre of the piston is lightened. It has a hollow centre to permit faster operation and also reduces impact on the gel ball so that it does not rupture. The tiny electric motor is powered by a battery. It has a cone gear at the top. This operates a series of double-rack spur gears to change the RPMs for the rack and pinion piston. A gear rack along the bottom of the piston group converts cogwheel circular action into a lateral motion. The piston group can throw out hydrated gel balls at up to 1300 RPM in models with an auto switch. This rate depends on the build quality and if it's a handgun size or larger type with a selector, like the M4A1. Some models don't have a selector, they are single load for water balls. Others are more mechanical in their operating system, such as the handgun sizes. These have smaller spur gears with no separate gearbox module. To demonstrate that it is not an airgun, just place a finger or a soft material over the end. Any small amount of air at the muzzle is ambient air or displaced atmosphere inside the tube or barrel, in front of the gel ball or the piston buffer. Dripping a blaster to its exposed gearbox, and by placing a finger in front of the plunger or piston head, no air is felt coming from inside the piston. This expelled air measurement device shows that one's breath has more air power and velocity than a gel blaster.
Because it picks up the magnetic field with an Arduino here, and if I blow into it, it shows a graph. Talk into it, if I talk into it, nothing happens. It's not picking up sound really, does it? But I really blow, and then I use this here.
Much more air is expelled from a person's mouth than from a gel blaster, as it is electromechanically operated. A hydrated water ball is 7 to 8 millimeters in diameter. If air was the means of propulsion, it would require significantly more to be pushed down the barrel to propel the water ball. Air guns are .177 or .22 inch caliber. A rifle to shoot lead slugs at between 600 to 1000 feet per second. That is 6 times faster than gel blasters. Water balls are projected at between 100 to 300 feet per second, or only 30 to 90 meters per second, easily seen with the naked eye. They are non-injurious, only go out to about 20 meters, with a very curved trajectory. Water balls fragment at velocities over about 300 feet per second. Expelled water balls break down into a dust in 3 to 4 days and are environmentally friendly. As expert witnesses, Leo Walsh and myself have already tendered reports on gel blasters not being air guns as such. This has been confirmed in our clips with Brad Towner of Armoured Heaven and by other shop technicians. Compressed air does not provide the means by which water balls are projected from the tube or barrel of a gel blaster. Enjoy the sport, play safe and follow the rules.